Well, it's a busy night. We've a beaver supermoon on display, if you can see it through the cloud. And if you're out and about at bonfire night, it's looking mostly dry. For the detail, join me later in the programme. Well, we had a lot of cloud across the region today, but there were some bright skies too. This was the scene earlier today at Worthing in West Sussex, the sun valiantly trying to break through there. As we head into tomorrow, well, we're going to see some showers for a time first thing, but things do improve through the afternoon. It'll continue mild too. Let's take a look at tonight though. And for this evening, some cloud around, but some gaps in that cloud too. And if you're out and about celebrating bonfire night, well, it should stay mostly dry. Some showers arriving perhaps through the early hours, and overnight it's going to be very mild, temperatures not dropping out of double figures, perhaps 12 to 14 Celsius. As I say, some showers arriving before daybreak tomorrow, and they're going to make their way across the region through the course of the morning. Some of those could be on the heavy side. Once they clear though, it's an improving picture. A cloudy afternoon, some breaks in the clouds, so some bright skies, perhaps a glimmer of sunshine, and again in that southerly airflow we're seeing temperatures up at around 16 or 17 Celsius. Into tomorrow evening, and it's a very similar story to tonight. A lot of cloud around, some gaps in that cloud, so we could see some patchy mist forming here and there, and some showers begin arriving through the early hours. It's another mild night, once again temperatures in double figures. Let's take a look then at Friday, and a dull start to Friday. Some showers knocking around. We've got a frontal system making its way across the region, and that low pressure clears for Saturday. So Saturday is looking a little bit brighter and drier too. Here's the outlook then for the next few days. And as I say, for this evening, we're looking at some dry spells for the bonfire night celebrations. It's the beaver supermoon as well. You'll catch a glimpse of that if you're out and about. Into Friday, something a little bit wetter for a time, but the weekend gets off to a good start. Saturday looks dry and bright with some good spells of sunshine to enjoy. And it continues mild for the time of year. Well, we had a mild, if rather cloudy day across the region today. And as we head into tomorrow, well, it's continuing mild, but it will start with some showers first thing. Let's take a look at this evening. And if you're out and about at fireworks displays, you're in luck. We do look as though we're going to see a dry evening. If rather cloudy, it's going to make seeing the supermoon a little bit difficult at times. Through the course of the night, we will see some showers arriving too, but it's very mild. Temperatures not dropping far from daytime values, 12 to 14 Celsius the lows. Those showers are going to make for a rather damp start to tomorrow, and through the course of the morning we'll start to see them arrive and clear by lunchtime. So I think for most places the afternoon looks drier and brighter, perhaps some glimpses of sunshine where the cloud breaks, and given those southerly winds bringing in that warm air, temperatures once again up at around 17 Celsius. Out on the inshore waters tomorrow from Selseybill to Lyme Regis, the winds are south or southeast 3 to 5, occasionally 4 to 6 later. Visibility is good and the sea state is smooth or slight. On to tomorrow evening then, and again it's a cloudy picture, some breaks in that cloud, so we could see some mist forming here and there, and through the early hours we'll start to see some more showers arriving too. Again, it's a mild night with temperatures not dropping out of double figures, perhaps 11 or 12 Celsius widely. Looking ahead to Friday, and well, we've got another trough moving in through the course of the day. It's going to bring some light rain to many places, but it should clear up, giving us a cloudier afternoon, but some bright breaks possible too, and it's mild with highs up to perhaps 15 or 16 Celsius. Here's the outlook then for the next few days. And as I say, once we get through Thursday and Friday, which are looking just a little bit unsettled, the start of the weekend doesn't look too bad at all. We'll start to see some sunny breaks through Saturday in what looks set to be a drier day. For Sunday, perhaps a little bit of light rain or drizzle at times, but again, the chance of some brightness as well. Do enjoy the evening if you're out and about.